Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So we did get the data out yesterday, well, not the data, but the interest rate hike, and that was 0.5%, so pretty much what everybody was expecting. And obviously a little bit of noise inside the speech, which brought us back a little bit. So it looks like a bit of a flag forming. This is still my level for an entry, and that is at 105.846. Pay attention to the weekly bar now because it is a weekly break above the trend line. If we turn around and form a pin bar here, that's going to be a rejection of that trend line, and then you should expect us to continue to the downside. So for me right now, lower time frames, trend is up. You can see all the noise here with the interest rate, but that is a flag, and the flag target is pretty much down there. So yeah, retest this area either 106.112 or we're looking at 105.891. Looking for a pullback for an opportunity to buy. Moving on to US dollar, Japanese yen. Same kind of thing, all over the place. Didn't really get moving. I want to move this down to this level here. And if we look at that on the hour, there's probably a micro level close by. Yes, there is. There's two. So there's one there. Was rejected yesterday. The question is whether it's going to be rejected again. We could add a third level here over there. So you can see that was also tested. So add the fourth level in, which is that one there. So what we're looking for is a pullback to either a 135.772 or alternatively 135.892 and lastly 136.200. So pullback, looking for a rejection off there for a move down. Most of the data's out, well, all the data's out the way at the moment. We've just got payroll data, well, not payroll data, but jobs numbers today, which is also a little bit volatile. But anyway, that's kind of the view that we've got at the moment. Pull back into these areas, you're looking for a continuation down, and your target is going to be bottom of range, to be honest. It's going to be this area here at 134.652. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen. Pretty much sideways. We came down, we tested this area, we rallied, but we're kind of pulling back. So at the moment, I would expect this breakout to be tested. And if we get down to the hour, if we can get it clicked. So that breakdown wasn't tested yesterday. We broke below it and then came back above it. So that is still very much in play. And then I would also add this area here. So, and just put the third one in just to make sure we have it right. So it was a pretty strong move after the initial move down. Pretty solid move up. Looks like a flag forming. So I'm looking to buy off 167.780 or alternatively 167.670. Stop for this is going to be below this 167.480. So you're looking for price to come down, looking for inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars, which are indicating a reversal, and then you're looking for a move up to test this swing low. So that's kind of the view there, 168.500. So that should be a fairly decent 368 points to 700, almost a 2-to-1 trade. Lastly, Euro British Pound, we are sideways. We did reject this area again, but buyers did come in off the bottom. So I think this one is a sit on hand scenario. You can see the chaos that we have right now in amongst the moving averages flat. There is no direction here, so we will leave this one well alone until we break above 0.86071 to the upside, or alternatively 0.85752 to the downside. So until one of those things happens, there is no trade here. Anyway, that's it for me on Forex. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.